Today I show you a whiteboard marker and what's the difference between a whiteboard marker and a permanent marker, for example. So yeah, this is a whiteboard. This is a Staedler whiteboard marker, Lumocolor whiteboard, and you can write on this. You can write with this marker on a whiteboard, and the difference between a whiteboard marker and a permanent marker, like this pilot permanent marker, is the whiteboard marker is meant to be erased, while the permanent marker is not. So recycled plastic, and it's refillable. Oh, that's interesting. 2 millimeters, the size of the writing. It can dry wipe it from whiteboards. It can be dry wiped from whiteboards and surfaces like glass or porcelain without leaving a trace. Dry safe, okay. That's the barcode here, and I wanted to use a dry erase marker, and let's see how it looks like. Okay. Feels good. It really feels good. It really feels. It has a nice feeling about it, and the tip is the normal, as you see in the picture there on this thing, and it's easy to remove it. This is nice, and easy to plug it back in. It makes a seal around here, and dry safe whiteboard marker. 97% recycled plastic, that's really nice. And barcode, and it has this Art and Creative Materials Institute certified. Some kind of certification, I don't know what's. Dry wipe from whiteboards, store horizontally, and it's refillable. Can be left uncapped for days without drying up. Okay, that's nice. So let's try to write here. I would say test. So now I wrote with the dry erase marker. This is a permanent marker. Okay. So it's pretty similar, but when this is dry, I don't have a sponge for the whiteboard, so I'm gonna use just a kitchen sponge. When you do this, the dry erase marker is gone completely, while the permanent marker stays there. So if you do this by mistake on a whiteboard, you can use alcohol to remove it. So let's try it.